future. He hopes to be a teacher someday.
Candidate number 2, Dayan Fiona Marie P. Peña. She is studying in pink dress. It was motivated as a result of John D. Martinez. She dreams to be a doctor someday.
Candidate number 2 is Lloyd L. Fidel. He is gorgeous red. It was motivated as a result of Aquino Estera. He dreams to be, or he wants to drive an airplane someday.
Candidate number 3, Alisa J. A. Adaya, is also wearing a very beautiful pink dress. It was steered via JC Ventilla. She aims to be a teacher someday.
Candidate number 3 is Sean Kyle O'Bulakni. He is grading a pink It was steered via Alex Pigao. He aims to be a policeman someday.
Candidate number 4 is Micaela E. Isarondo. She is charming and violent. It was encouraged by means of Jewel B. Diesel. She desires to be a teacher someday.
Candidate number 4 is Julius Ralph D. Abadiano. He is modest in white. He was encouraged by means of Analea Salvador. He desires to be a doctor someday.
Candidate number 5 is Morris J. S. Montegnaro. She is also wearing a violet dress. It was in fact inspired by Amal Bakuju. She also hopes to be a teacher someday.
Candidate number 5 is Nathaniel I. Verona. He is magnificent in green. It was inspired by Amina Aranas Aluna, and he hopes to be a soldier in the future. Anton Barreto. Inspired by Bang Pineda, and he hopes to be a doctor someday. He is wearing an elegant black tuxedo with checkered polo inside. A handsome in red long sleeve with blue long sleeve inside. It was campus. He is now wearing
Is Joanna Sheila Marie Quijano. She is wearing a layered violet dress. It was motivated as a result of Sharina Villia. She also dreams to be a flight attendant someday.
our next candidate is candidate number 14, John Lloyd Natividad. He is now wearing an elegant black suit with white long sleeve. It was motivated as a result of Carrie Santiago. He dreams to be a seaman someday.